Tennant Company, the leader in environmental cleaning solutions, now brings you unparalleled extraction in an easy-to-use machine. Introducing the E5 Compact, Low-Profile Carpet Extractor. The E5 Carpet Extractor provides superior cleaning results and improves productivity in tight, hard-to-reach areas with its low-profile, compact design. This high-performance carpet cleaner offers low-effort brush assist pullback operation and an ergonomic handle to reduce operator fatigue and increase cleaning efficiency. Tested to an OSHA-recommended standard 69 decibel sound level, the E5 delivers a quiet clean that's perfect for noise-sensitive environments. Superior cleaning results, greater productivity, and quiet operation. The E5 Carpet Extractor simplifies cleaning in even your most congested areas. The E5 Carpet Extractor's ergonomic Insta-Adjust handle has multiple height settings to maximize operator comfort and extend cleaning reach. Its accessible 5-gallon Hygienic lift-off tanks with ergonomic handles make it easy to fill and empty. During operation, the E5's dual overlapping spray jets and exceptional vacuum suction maximize cleaning performance across the entire cleaning path. And its unique brush design automatically adjusts to different carpet pile depths, resulting in reduced operator training time and error. Maximize your carpet cleaning performance and productivity in tight areas with the compact, low-profile E5 Extractor from Tennant, the ideal solution to cleaning small, congested spaces.